Imagine a customer asks ChatGPT for a recommendation in your industry. Does the AI suggest your business, or does it point them to a competitor? Most businesses focus only on Google rankings, but they are completely invisible inside AI chatbots like Claude or Perplexity. If an AI doesn't know you, it cannot recommend you. Now, this video is how you can track and grow your brand in these AI answers. For this video, I'll be using SEMrush, and the link for it is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give SEMrush a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. And by the way, if you do use my link, you'll get an exclusive 14-day extended free trial. So it's a no-brainer and it's a win-win for everyone. Now, let's get started. What is AI visibility? AI visibility is a simple idea. It is how often your brand is mentioned or recommended when someone asks an AI a question. Think about tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, or Google's AI overviews. In the past, people would type a few words into a search engine and get a long list of blue links. Now, they're asking full questions and getting one single helpful answer. For example, if you ask an AI tool like Claude about the best project management tools for a remote team, it might give you a list that includes names like Asana, Monday, or Notion. It might even explain why those tools are great, like mentioning Asana's easy interface or Notion's ability to keep everything in one place. When an AI does this, it is because it recognizes those brands as trustworthy and relevant. If your brand is the one being talked about, you have AI visibility. If it isn't, your potential customers might never even know you are an option. This is a big change because the AI isn't just showing a link. It is acting like a digital assistant that helps the user make a choice. Why tracking this matters right now. Tracking how you show up in AI is important because it is how people find brands today. Over 70% of people in the US now use AI tools for at least some of their searches. If you appear in those answers, you reach customers at the exact moment they need help. But there is even a bigger reason to care: the quality of these visitors. Research shows that visitors who come from an AI search buy things 4.4 times more often than people coming from a regular search engine. They arrive at your website more informed and ready to make a decision. Soon, these AI channels are expected to drive just as much business value as traditional search. How AI optimization differs from SEO. AI optimization and traditional SEO are related, but they're not the same thing. Traditional SEO is about ranking on a list of links. AI optimization, sometimes called generative engine optimization, is about being part of a clear, helpful answer. While some old rules still apply, like the fact that Google's AI features often link to the top search results, other rules are changing. For example, pages that get mentioned the most by AI often have less traffic or fewer keywords than the winners in traditional search. This happens because AI tools look for high-quality information rather than just the most popular pages. Now, before we jump into the actual steps, I want to say a big thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring this video and helping us dive into how AI tracking works. Manual tracking: how to check your brand today. The fastest way to see where you stand is a manual test. Start by launching ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. Type in the exact questions your customers ask, like what are the best tools for keyword research? Look closely at the answers and ask, are we mentioned by name? Are we directly linked or cited? Is the AI saying things that are positive, neutral, or negative? If you run this test every month, you can see if your brand is trending in the right direction. Automated tracking with SEMrush. Now, doing everything by hand takes a lot of time, especially if you want to know what many different AI tools are saying every day. This is why using a tool like the SEMrush AI Visibility Toolkit is so helpful. It automates the process so you can see your brand's presence in one place without asking the same questions over and over. One of the most important things you can track is your share of voice. This tells you how often you're being picked compared to your competitors. If there are 10 conversations about your industry and you're mentioned in 7 of them, you have a very high share of voice. The toolkit also helps you understand brand sentiment. It looks at the words the AI uses to see if it describes your brand as helpful and high quality or if there are negative things being said that you need to fix. Another great feature is prompt research. This lets you see the actual complex questions that real people are asking AI about your products or your industry. Instead of just guessing, you get a clear list of the topics your customers care about most. You can even see which specific sources the AI is using to find information about you. How to grow your presence. Growing your AI visibility is about becoming a brand that AI tools find trustworthy. Here's how to do it. Grow authority. Get mentioned in places AI tools already trust. For example, ChatGPT pulls almost half of its citations from Wikipedia. Reddit is also a top source for tools like Perplexity and Google AI overviews. Share original content. Don't just repeat what others say. AI tools prioritize content that shows real experience, expertise, and unique data. Update regularly. AI tools using live web search prioritize fresh content. Structure for scanning. Use headers that look like questions. Put your answer in the very first sentence so the AI can find it easily. Use Schema Markup. This special code helps AI tools understand your content so they can cite it accurately. So, are you ready to revolutionize your AI SEO strategy? Check out the AI Visibility Toolkit using the link in the description below. Or if you want to bundle your traditional SEO and AI tracking in one place, sign up for SEMrush One to start a free trial. But I want to know, have you tried asking an AI about your own brand yet? Did it recommend you or a competitor? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.